Hello, my friends. This is one thing that I would like you to understand in handling cybersecurity, especially in handling your digital cash, particularly in utilizing a credit card. So oftentimes when we go to a mall, oftentimes there's a lot of people who gets to meet us and then asking if we have a credit card or some sort of a debit card or some other plastic currency holding device. A very thing that I would like you to understand is to avoid giving your credit card even to the waiter because they can capture all the information that are stated in here in a credit card. Oftentimes they have a very beautiful talk about all the benefits that you could possibly get when you give your credit card or when you join their promo. So a very thing that you need to understand is when you give credit card information, you can go as far as giving all this information, but please don't ever give or disclose any information that require you to give the three-digit number behind your card. Never ever give that. If possible, get a small adhesive and cover it, and then make sure the credit card is already signed. This way, people cannot just easily hack onto your credit card information and utilize and have them purchase items, and eventually it will take a lot of your time arguing with the bank, preventing the bank from asking or even going to the bank, wasting a lot of your time telling the bank that it is not your transaction, while in fact you were the ones who disclosed this information. The three digit three information here behind, just behind my thumb, is a very critical information that you never scan, you never send to anybody else. Only you should know about it. So yun lang po ang tungkol sa cybersecurity natin. So with me, I have three credit cards na one time nasubukan ko na ring na-hack ang credit card. Kaya ko clinose yung credit card ko kasi pinapabayad sa akin ng bank ng napakalaking amount. So one way for you to avoid such issue is never reveal the last digit, nor should you even allow your credit card to be borrowed by others. Yun lang po. Thank you.